I am Bhupendra Jha. I came from Bombay. I had the reference from my friend Mr. P.R. Mehta, who had visited this place along with his wife, who was in almost, they call it in Hindi, Marnasan situation, and that she totally recovered. It happened 2-3 years ago, and he asked me that you must visit this place, even if there is no disease, just to see and visualize and experience what all things are happening in that institute. That's the reason I came here. My major problem of heart disease, I had to go for stent. That I had gone, but I had a backache problem. After coming here, and I started on the advice of my friend Mr. Mehta, I had started SHIVAMBU. I used to do it once since last 6 months. So I had absolutely no problem when I was told that you have to fast for 5 days and you have to drink SHIVAMBU. Because I was mentally totally prepared. My total experience in one word is out of the world. I am tremendously thankful to Dr. Nitin Patil, Dr. Sarang Patil, and Dr. Yogesh for organizing and supporting us during our entire stay. It is so well balanced and maintained that you just can't find any fault in the system. It is being perfectly planned, managed, executed with great efficiency. And the support of all the people who are here to help during massage, food, housekeeping. Simply wonderful. You rarely come across such a place. I'm a great traveler, I see. You get these facilities only in five-star hotels or resort. This we got so cheap, and I'm committed to come here every year, and I'm also committed to expand this uh, kriya amongst all my friends and family members. I'm sure I want that people should know about it in great. And finally, I must say that whatever I have suggestions I have to give, I'm going to mail it to Dr. Sarang Patil, and it is with a positive intention that it will further improve in whatever is happening. It's mechanical improvement. Medically, whatever they are doing, they are perfect. They are perfect. But how to make it still more efficient and how to popularize it, I will try my best. And I'm committed. I'm committed. I've been running big, business for someone else in the steel industry, and I know how to manage things. My input will definitely benefit, and one definite proof that I have benefited from this is my commitment to come every year. Thank you.